Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to teach you the topic sentences structures, simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. Okay, now let us see about simple sentence. Before that, we need to learn about some basics in this topic. Now, what is clause? Clause is a kind of group of words with subject and verb. Okay, this is called clause. A clause should have subject and words, right? Uh, and it can give sometimes meaning and it cannot give sometimes meaning. That means if it gives meaning, it is called an independent clause. If it doesn't give any meaning, then we can simply call it dependent clause, right? This is about clause, right? Now let us see simple sentence definition. Okay, simple sentence is the sentence in which we can see an independent sentence or independent clause and a phrase. For example, if you see here, I like to play softball. Okay, it is a, here we can see that I like to play, okay, softball. It shows there is a independent clause and there's a phrase. Okay, this is about simple sentence. Now let us see compound sentence. Compound sentence is a sentence in which we can see there must be two clauses and both should be independent clauses, right? And these clauses should be uh, combined together by a coordinating conjunction, right? Here the coordinate, there are many coordinating conjunction like but, at, and, or, either or, neither nor. These are the coordinating conjunctions. That means this conjunction will coordinate two independent clauses. That's why we can simply call it as a compound sentence, right? We can see here I went to the game early, but I forgot my wallet. Here we can say there are two sentences. Here the coordinating conjunction is but. This but is this but can combine two sentences, right? Since it can combine two sentences, we can call but as a coordinating conjunction, right? Here we can say that I'm a teacher and a lawyer. Here we can say that I'm a teacher and I'm a lawyer. If you want to combine these sentences, we generally use and. Okay, is poor, but he helped the uh, students. Here we can see he is poor and but he helped the students. Here both independent sentences can be combined together by a coordinating conjunction that is called uh, but. See here what part of speech combines things. Here conjunctions, only conjunction will can combine the sentences. This is how we will combine clause and sentences together. We generally use this coordinating conjunction for connecting some words in English, right? Next, let us see complex sentences. Complex sentences are those sentences in which we can see an independent clause and dependent clause can be combined together by a subordinating conjunction. Here subordinating conjunction means this conjunction depends upon an independent clause. For example, when I go home, from school, I like to ride my four-wheeler. Okay, here when I go home, from school. I go home from school and is a dependent sentence. I like to ride my four-wheeler is an independent sentence. These two sentences can be put together by the subordinating conjunction when, right? Okay, this is about complex sentences. My dear students, in exam they will ask you how to convert from one to another. Okay, if you know the definitions of and the sentences of these sentences, definitely you can convert from one to another. Thank you for listening.